What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As some of you may or may not know, I got a new vehicle a couple months ago. Got it out of my truck because it was having some issues. Got a new 4Runner. It suits me better. I have room for all my gear in the back. I got room to upgrade for all my camping stuff, fishing stuff, everything that I do, 4-wheel drive. It's better gas mileage, you know, blah, blah, blah. All the stuff that I want, I got in this vehicle. One of the things I normally do to all my vehicles, even my old Silverado, was upgrade all the exterior lights, all the interior lights to LEDs. This vehicle came with LED headlights, which are amazing. However, the turn signal marker lights were just regular incandescent bulbs. Not very bright. You know, they are what they are. They're fine from the factory. But I like to have brighter lights, so I got Lasfit marker lights / turn signal lights. Super bright. The front are Switchback LEDs. They have a built-in canbus, so if you're not familiar with that, with putting in LED upgrades to your vehicle, you have to put an inline resistor to prevent the hyper flash, which is the lights flashing really fast if you have turn signals or your hazard lights on. These bulbs are a little bit bigger than traditional LEDs, I think probably because they have that canbus resistor built into them and not a big inline resistor that heats up really hot that you got to mount somewhere in the engine bay or in the back of the vehicle. So I'm gonna put a picture of the size difference of the bulbs and then the LED bulb in a picture probably right now. There's a decent size difference. There wasn't any issue with the wiring as far as it reaching into the sockets for the headlamps or the rear signals. One thing I love about these things also is they are super bright. So some of the video I'm going to be showing you is going to be the bulbs that are here, that are in the housings from the factory, and then the Lasfit bulbs, which are, like I said, extremely bright. Okay, so right here, these are the factory incandescent bulbs in the rear of the 4Runner. As you can see, they're bright. You know, they're adequate. You know, they work for what they are.
Start it up.
Okay, right here, this is a shot of the rear turn signals, hazard lights with the LED Lasfit upgrades in them. As you can see, super bright, amazing. They look good. Everybody's gonna see you. Okay, so for the front, I left one of the factory bulbs in the driver's side, and then I left one of the LEDs into the passenger side of the housing. Like I said, these are switchbacks, so when you turn on your headlights, your marker lights, the Lasfit bulb will be white in color. It looks like it's probably about a 6500K bulb. That's generally what comes factory for headlamps and pretty much all automotive housings. So they match the output of the factory headlamp perfectly. It looks clean, it looks nice. You can see the other side, it has the orange marker light. It looks good, you know, it's all right, no complaints.
Start it up.
That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I know it's not normally the type of video I do, but I wanted to show the LED bulbs that I've switched to. Another good thing about them is I've used other brands, cheaper brands, more expensive brands. I've had more expensive brands that don't last very long, and the cheaper brands that don't last very long. More importantly, I've had both expensive and cheap brands that aren't nearly as bright. These bulbs, the Lasfit bulbs, are actually pretty well priced. I think they're the highest output that I've seen for the price point. You can get higher ones, you know, you can get brighter bulbs from other companies. but they're like double or triple the price sometimes, so it's kind of crazy. I'm not gonna spend that much money for some bulbs. Some people do, but for the price, like, I think these are the best bang for your buck. They are super bright, they work great. I love them. They're easy to install. No resistors to add into your wiring, so that made it really nice. Install was straightforward. Anyways, if you're looking for new bulbs, something to replace your factory stuff that's going out or went out, or you just want it to look better, check out Lasfit. I'll put a description in the, I'll put a link, excuse me, in the description to their website and to the bulbs that I use in this 4Runner of mine. And then if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Hopefully I'll end up doing some more videos of the 4Runner as I do other upgrades too. I got a lot of things planned for it. At some point I'm gonna lift it, maybe put some different wheels, I'm not sure, but definitely bigger tires. But anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, I'll have some more fishing videos coming out soon. I have lots of footage. I've just been really busy with other stuff, work, life's got in the way. You know, we got summer tournaments going on here. But thanks for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.